Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Mureka AI. In order to do so, here we are at mureka.ai and we're all logged in. And as you can see on the homepage here, we have a variety of songs that other people have created that we can take a listen to, and we can even click on this button here that says create similar. If you like a specific song, you like the style and you want to do something similar, then you can click on that, and let's just go ahead and do that. And you can see here now that that's bringing that in, and we can modify the lyrics if we wish. We can bring in some other additional options here with the reference, with vocal, with changing the description and the melody ideas, which is part of the Pro plan. So that's a neat little feature there. But if you want to start from scratch, then you can go here to where it says create. And we have a couple of ways of going about this. One is we could do the basic, and this is just very simple, give some simple details for the song, what it is that you're looking for. You can click on this option here with the dice and just roll the dice, and you can get some different genres and styles here, and you might find some cool stuff there. You can also use these subcategories down at the bottom, and you'll see that for each of them you'll get some helpful options. You can click on any of those, and then that's going to bring that up there, and then you can click on create, and that will begin to generate your song. We can also select the Advanced tab here, and this is going to allow us to have more control over the song that we create. We can enter in our song title. We can enter in lyrics. We have a few options here at the side. So let's go ahead and select here a reference. So in this case, we can upload audio and create a song inspired by a reference track. So if you have a specific song and you want to do something that is in the style of that song, then you can upload a reference track and you can use that. We also have a library of sounds here that we can use, and all you have to do is just click use there, and that's going to load that in your reference track. From here, we also have vocal. And this is really quite nice. If you are a singer and you have lyrics and you want to create a song that is as close to your lyrics as possible, then you can upload your own audio. So that's a very powerful feature. And again, what this allows you to do is this allows you to create a song that's kind of closer to a specific vision that you might have. From there, you are going to need to make sure that you are specific about the styles and everything that you use, and just try to dial that in as much as possible. And this is where the description comes in. So if we go to description, then you can really dial in the style that you're looking for, and you can specify the genre, and we can just click on any of the genres down here, and you'll see that that will show up here in our description box. We also have mood options as well, so we can specify that, and everything is going to be separated by a comma, and that's how you're going to want to do your description. Make sure that everything is separated by a comma, and when you're done, just click on done here. And we have now loaded our song and gotten it pretty close to what we want to do. We haven't put any lyrics in here, so I'll just leave that up to you to do that. But let's go ahead and take a look at one of the examples that I've already created. So once you're ready to go, then you can just hit create there. You are going to need some credits. I have run out of credits, but we have created a song here so you can get an idea of what Mureka is capable of. So let's just go ahead and give that a listen.
In the woods where the shadows play, I walked alone, feeling astray, lost in thoughts of you, my love, but nature's whispers made me brave. Leaves rustle under my feet, as if the trees were beating drums. Each step felt like a brand new start, nature's embrace I couldn't part. New dawn in the woods, where hope begins, nature heals and hearts align. In every leaf, in every sound, the promise of a brand new ground. Sunlight filtered through the trees, painting paths with golden ease. Each ray a symbol of the light that shines within just right. Beneath the old I sat down, feelings mixed, makes bath but no longer frown. The world Stepped outside, it all fades. In nature's arms, I found my shades.
So there you go. That'll give you an idea of what Mureka is capable of. We kind of got a cool little hip hop song there. And if you like the song, then you can go ahead and click like there. And if we take a look at the library, then you can see here where we have the liked songs option. And if we click that, then well, let's go ahead and click like on that. And then we should see that show up in our like songs, which it's not doing. So let's see, maybe if we just refresh the page. No, it's not showing up there. And so I would expect that is because we don't have a subscription. But if you want to publish your song, then you can click on that and then other people can come and listen to your song as well. We have our three little dots here and you can see that we have some additional options to play with. We can regenerate a song. So if you like it, but you want to see a different version of it, then you can regenerate that. You can extend. We can download an instrumental and stem, so the instrumental and vocals. We can download a commercial license, MP3. We can restore, we can edit the title and cover, and we can delete as well. So that gives you an idea of what Mureka is capable of, and you can use those tools to dial in your song that much more, try things out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the subscribe option here. And we can see that they have the yearly plan, which works out to about $8 a month, billed annually at $96. We have the Pro plan, which is $24 a month, but that is billed annually at $288. If you want to check out the monthly plan here, then we can see that there is the basic plan for $10 a month, and then you have the Pro plan for $30 a month. Bear in mind that there are certain features that are only available if you are on the Pro plan. So just keep that in mind. There are going to be some things that you can't take advantage of unless you get that subscription. We do have an option here that you can invite for credits. So you can copy this link and send it to your friends. And once they have signed in using the link, then you're going to earn 2 credits that you can use towards creating songs. So that gives you a general idea of everything that Mureka is capable of. I think that the results are quite nice. We definitely are getting some nice results here with the songs. The credit system and the subscription system, I would suggest that you just take a look around and see what other options might be out there. Mureka definitely can do what you need it to do, but you might want to do a little bit of research before you commit. That being said, I would say that Mureka is doing a good job at their setup and the results are really quite solid. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.